Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In previous session, we have started determinants and we have completed the first bit. And in today's session, we are going to start second bit. And from the second bit, we can expect 4 marks. That means 1 SAQ. And in this, we have many important problems also. Move on to problems. Move on to first problem. This is very important question. Show that a matrix is equals to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. In this, first we need to apply the row operations. R1 gives R1 minus R2. R2 gives R2 minus R3. See, this is row 1, row 2, row 3. First, for row 1, R1 minus R2 we have to apply, and for row 2, R2 minus R3. See, R1 minus R2, BC minus CA. B plus C minus of C plus A means minus C minus A. 1 minus 1. Next, R2 minus R3. CA minus AB. C plus A minus B. 1 minus 1. AB, A plus B, 1. R3 as usual. And here we will get, from here, plus C minus C get cancelled and plus A minus A get cancelled. From BC minus CA, take C common. C of B minus A. Here B minus A. 1 minus 1, 0. Here from CA minus AB, take A common. C minus B, remaining terms are 1 minus 1, 0. Third row as usual, AB, A plus B, 1. Now, see. Now 1 minute. Now, from these, row 1 take B minus A common, and from row 2 take C minus B common. B minus A into C minus B. Remaining from B minus A, remaining one C, and here 1, 0, A, 1, 0, AB, A plus B, 1. Now we need to find the determinant of these matrix. In previous class I have said how to find the determinant of a matrix, so go and watch. B minus A into C minus B plus minus plus C of, for eliminate first column and first row, and remaining 4 values are the cofactors of C. 1 into 1, 1, minus 0 into A plus B, 0. Minus 1. Eliminate second column and first row. The remaining values are the cofactors. A into 1, A. Minus AB into 0, 0. Plus 0 into anything, 0. B minus A, C minus B, and C minus A. We got these value, but in the question they given A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. So from these take minus common, minus of A minus B. Here take minus common, B minus C, and as is C minus A. We'll get minus into minus plus. So A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Hence we have proved that. Move on to next problem. Move on to second problem, and this is also a very important question. The given, show that a matrix is equals to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So same like before problem only, we have to apply the row operations. R1 gives R1 minus R2. R2 gives R2 minus R3. R1 minus R2 for row 1, R2 minus R3 for row 2. B plus C minus of A plus B. So minus A minus B. C plus A minus of B plus C means minus B minus C. A plus B minus of C plus A means minus C minus A. A plus B minus A, R2 minus R3, B plus C minus B, C plus A minus C. Third row as usual, A, B, C. Here plus B minus B get cancelled, plus C minus C get cancelled, plus A minus A get cancelled, and plus A minus A plus B minus B plus C minus C get cancelled. The remaining terms are C minus A minus B, B minus C, B, C, A, B, C. Now we need to find the determinant of these matrix. Determinant of these matrix plus minus plus. C minus A into, eliminate the first column and first row, and the remaining 4 values are the cofactors. C into C, C square, minus A into B, AB, minus of A minus B. Eliminate second column and first row, remaining 4 values are the cofactors of A minus B. B into C, BC, minus A into A square, plus B minus C. Eliminate the third column and first row. The remaining 4 values are the cofactors of B minus C. B into B, B square, minus AC. C. Now multiply C into C square, C cube, minus AB into C, ABC, minus A into C square, AC square, minus into minus plus A into AB, A square B, minus A into BC, minus ABC, minus into minus plus A into A square, A cube, minus into minus plus. So plus B into BC plus B square C, plus B into plus into minus minus B into A square B, plus B into B square B cube, minus ABC, minus C into B square, minus C, minus into minus plus A into C, AC into C square, AC square. Now minus AC square plus AC square get cancelled, A square B and minus A square B get cancelled, B square C minus B square C get cancelled, and the remaining values are A cube plus B cube plus C cube, minus ABC, minus ABC, minus ABC, minus 3ABC. So hence prove. Next problem. And the third problem is, they given show that a matrix is equals to 4x, y, z. In this we need to find the determinant of these matrix, and we have to prove the determinant of these matrix is equals to 4x, y, z. So we need to find the determinant, plus minus plus. See, y plus z. Eliminate the first column and first row. Z plus x into x plus y minus yz, minus x into, eliminate the second column and first row, y into x plus y minus yz. Now plus x into, third, eliminate third column and first row, y into z, yz, minus z into z plus x. Now y plus z into z into x, xz, plus z into y, yz, plus x into x, x square, plus x into y, xy, minus yz, plus yz minus yz get cancelled. Here minus x into xy plus y square minus yz, y into x, xy, plus y into y, y square, plus x into yz minus z into z, z square minus xz. Now y into xz, xyz, y into x plus x square y, y into xy plus xy square plus z into xz plus xz square, z into x square plus x square z, z square into x, x square, next z into xy plus xyz minus x into x square y, x into xy x square y minus x into y square, minus into minus plus xyz plus xyz plus into minus minus x into z square, xz square, x into minus xz minus x square z. See the now from these values we have to eliminate common values. X square y minus x square y get cancelled. X square is the xz square minus xz square cancel. Plus x square z minus x square z cancel. X square y minus x square y get cancelled. Now the remaining values xzy plus xzy plus xzy plus xzy is equals to, wait, I'll name, is equals to 4xyz. Hence proved. Next question. Now move on to next fourth problem. If a matrix is equals to 0 and a matrix is not equals to 0, then show that ABC is equals to minus 1. See from these matrix. Now generally a matrix A square x plus a cube, B square x plus b cube, C square x plus c cube. Now we can split these matrix as A B C, a square b square c square x plus a square a cube, b square b cube, c square c cube. So like that only we can split these matrix also. See how we can. A square, b square, c square, 1 plus a cube, 1 plus b cube, 1 plus c cube. Now is equals to a square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus a square a cube, b square b cube, c square c cube. See from these matrix we can take a from row 1 we can take a common, and from row 2 b, from row 3 c we can take the common a b c. A square 1, b square 1, c square 1 plus a b c into, how we will take a square from these, wait, we'll take 1 a square, 1 b square, 1 c square. So in this the columns are interchanged from these matrix, so we can now we have to interchange the columns. A square 1, b square 1, c square 1. Now we are interchanging the first column to second column and second column to first column. So minus, the sign will change here, plus into minus a b c into wait a b c 1 1 1 a square b square c square. Now again we are interchanging the second column to third column and third column to second column. The sign will change, minus into plus. A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus ABC, A square, B square, C square 1, 1, 1. In the question they given that these matrix is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So now these both matrices are equal. So take the matrix common. A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, 1, 1, 1 of A, B, C plus 1 is equals to 0. Now these matrix will move that side and it becomes 0. A, B, C plus 1 is equals to 0. It becomes A, B, C is equal to minus 1. Hence proved. Next question. Now move on to fifth problem. In fifth problem, first question, they given a matrix and we have to prove that this matrix is equal to this matrix. So first the given matrix A square, BC, B square, CA, C square, AB. Now A square, and in this for BC multiply and divide with ABC by A. B square for CA multiply and divide with B, and from C square multiply AB, from AB multiply and divide C, ABC by C. From these third column take ABC common. A square 1 by A, B square 1 by B, C square 1 by C. Now C from this. Now divide this ABC for first row. Only divide with A for first row and divide B for second row and divide C for third row. A into multiply A for first row and multiply B for second row and multiply C for third row. A into A square, A into A square A cube, A by A. Now the remaining here BC will be C, B square 1 by B, C square 1 by C. Now multiply B to second row. A square A cube A, B square B cube, sorry 1, A by A is equals to 1, B by B 1, the remaining value is now C square 1 by C. Now multiply C for third row. A square A cube 1, B square B cube 1, C into C square C cube, C by C 1. In question they said to prove 1 A square A cube, 1 B square B cube, 1 C square C cube, but we got A square A cube 1, B square B cube 1, C square C cube 1. So now we have to interchange the columns. To interchange the columns, wait. First interchange third column to second column and second column to third column. We here will get minus A square B square C square 1 1 A cube B cube C cube. Now interchange second column to first column and first column to second column. Minus will become plus 1 1 1 A square B square C square A cube B cube C cube. Hence proved that this matrix is equals to this matrix. Now move on to second problem and fifth question. Here the given these matrix is equals to this matrix. We have to prove the determinant of these matrix is equals to this one. Ax, by, cz, x square, y square, z square, 1 1 1 Now from these first row take x common and first column take x common and second column take y common and third column take z common. X, Y, Z. Here will be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So from here 1 by X, 1 by Y, 1 by Z. In determinant, we can the common value we can multiply with any one row. So now these x y z we are multiplying with third row. It will become a b c x y z. One x y z by x. It becomes y z. X y z by y. It becomes x z. X y z by z. It becomes x y. Hence prove that. Next one. Now move on to sixth question. The given delta 1 is equals to a matrix and delta 2 is equals to a matrix, and we have to find delta 1 by delta 2. Now this delta 1 we can split these matrix into two matrices. See from this first in this a1 square is common in three values a1 a1 a1. So here we'll take it as a1, and see in second row b2 is common, b2 square. So here we can keep b2, and in third row c3 square is common, c3 is common, and here we have c3. So here you'll keep c3. Now see here also it will get a1 b2 c3. Multiply a1 into a1, a1 square it will become, plus here will become 1. See, b1 means here we'll take b1, a1 square plus 1 into b1, b1 will get, and here we'll get, if we'll get c1, a1 into a1, a1 square, here also we'll get 1 plus 1 into b1, b1 plus 1 into c1, c1. We got the first one. Now here if we'll take a2, see a1 into a2 plus 1 into b2, here if we'll take c2, 1 into c2 plus c2. So we got these one also. Now a3, so here we should get a3 and here we should get b3. See a1 into a3 plus 1 into b3, b3 plus 1 into c3, c3. Done. Now come to second row. Here b1, b2. b1, b2 means here we'll get 0. 0 into a1, 0. b2 into b1, b1, b2. Here we will get 1, 1 plus c1, 1 into c1, c1. See here. Multiply second column, second row with first column. 0 into a1, 0. b2 into b1, b1, b2. Plus 1 into c1, c1. Okay. Now b2 square. 0 into 0, 0. b2 into b2, b2 square. 1 into c2, c2. Now multiply second row with third column. 0 into a3, 0. b2 into b3, b2, b3 plus c1 into c3, c3 plus 1 into c3, c3. Okay, sorry. Now 0, 0. If we will take here also 0. 0 into a1, 0. 0 into b1, 0. c3 into c1. We got this value. 0 into a2, 0. 0 into b2, 0. c3 into c2. c2, c3. 0 into a3, 0. 0 into b3, 0. c3 into c3, c3 square. Now this is a matrix. Now we need to find, this is a delta 1. We need to find delta 1 by delta 2. In this delta 2 they given a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Now here we need to interchange the rows as columns and columns as rows. Like you have to transpose the one. delta 1 by delta 2. Wait, I'll rub the question. Delta 1, A1 1 1 0, B2 1 0 0, C3. A1 A2 A3, B1 B2 B3, C1 C2 C3. In question they given A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. By interchanging the rows and columns, it becomes the same value. So we need to cancel these value tricks. From these one, take A1 B2 C3 common. A1 B2 C3 0 in from now multiply these value into these matrix 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Multiply A1 here, A1 into A1, A1 into 0 0, A1 into 0 0. Now here also multiply B2 into B2, B2 into A1. We have to keep this one value as usual. Here also we have to keep it as usual. The final answer we'll get A1 B2 C3. That's it. We have completed. Now we have completed second bit, and in next session we are going to start third bit. Okay, please do like, share and comment.